Turning now to a developing story involving a Jamaican family in the United States. A New Jersey father is dead after police say he carried out a deadly shooting that left three other people dead, including the mother of his children and her parents. The violence unfolded early Tuesday morning at a home in Bayville, that's about an hour and a half outside New York City. Investigators say officers responded shortly after 5 a.m. to reports of gunfire at the residence.
Your victim's going to be at number 8 Fairwood Drive.
All you hear is bang, 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 bang. And I literally just grabbed my daughter and I was like, oh my gosh, what is going on?
We were laying in bed and out of nowhere, there was just rapid, consistent echoing. Of course, we know it's gunfire now.
When authorities entered the home, they found Alan Russell, 61, and his wife, Michelle Russell, 60, dead from apparent gunshot wounds. 3 minor children were also inside the home, but were not physically harmed. Investigators later discovered the body of Deanna Stewart, 38, Russell's daughter, about 50 yards from the house. Authorities say she had been chased down the street and shot multiple times. Police believe the gunman was Vaughn Stewart, 37, Deanna's estranged husband and the father of the 3 children. Investigators say he entered the home and shot his in-laws before pursuing Deanna outside. He then returned to the house and took his own life. Authorities say the motive for the deadly attack remains unclear, and investigation into the tragedy remains ongoing. Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected.